Growatt, intelligent solutions for a green future. The market is calling for intelligent solutions around photovoltaics and energy storage. Find out now how they look like and what they are. Dear visitors, welcome at Intersolar Europe 2023 at the booth of Growatt. We are here live. Next to me is Mr. Yuling Zhu, product manager at Growatt. So, Mr. Zhu, you are showing a whole range of new solutions for intelligent PV and storage. So, how broad is your portfolio this year?
Thank you very much for introducing me. We have a very broad portfolio this year, ranging from 800 watt balcony inverters with storage systems up to like our battery-ready solutions we have here, up to 125 kilowatts commercial inverters. So we have like for every category we have our own systems.
One of your product highlights this year is the new hybrid battery inverter. What we are seeing here, what does this hybrid inverter offer?
Exactly. We have here our battery-ready solutions. We ranging from single-phase inverters up to three-phase inverters, to even commercial inverters. I think most interesting here is mid-inverter, ranging from 11 to 30 kilowatts. This one, I think they don't have too many inverters in this category that are also hybrid. So this one can be installed as a normal, let's say on-grid inverter. But then later on, if the customer is satisfied with inverter, it can easily be upgraded to a hybrid solution with APX battery, for example.
We see this is very flexible for the user, and it's also good for to put a new system after a while. So, what about your new batteries?
You mentioned the flexibility already. Our APX battery has I think one of the biggest flexibility you can imagine. The big new feature of this battery is that you can easily upgrade it. You can easily upgrade the capacity even after 1 year, after 5 years. It doesn't even matter. We have a new battery soft switching technology, so there's no more bottleneck, and the customer can upgrade battery modules which are 5 kilowatt hours whenever they want. After 1 year, after 5 years, there is no more bottleneck, and the capacity can be upgraded into oblivion.
So the upgrade function, that's also something the market is really calling for. So I think that's very useful, of course. So maybe now let's talk about your new string inverter for commercial applications, MAX.
These are our new MAX inverters, ranging from 100 to 125 kilowatt hours, proficiency from up to 98.8%, 10 MPPTs, and very easy installation.
It looks relatively slim for this large power he offers. So what about the friendliness for installers, also the installation easiness?
Of course, it's very easily installed. The inputs are usual MC4 connectors. The output is quite easily, you can just connect it to the grid, and then it's almost done with the installation. The highlight here is we have the certification, the VDE 4110 for Germany, coming very soon. So there's I heard there's a big demand on the market, and this inverter is I think a very good solution for this.
And how heavy is the MAX?
I think it's quite heavy, of course, compared to a hybrid inverter, but I think it's around 50 kilograms. So 2 people should be able to handle it.
So it should be 2 people then. But still, I think it's a pretty slim product. So let's maybe talk now about also a new trend for portable power stations. You are also showing here at the fair. So maybe you can show us and tell a little about your portable power stations.
This is our MIG inverter, the new version, the 800 watt version, in combination with our Infinity, the 1300 version. And as you can see, both are connected to the same grid. So, for example, if the inverter is producing during the day, you can put the surplus energy directly through the house grid to the battery and can use it later on, or if you go outside. So there's a lot of flexibility.
That sounds pretty interesting. That's because the market for balcony installation is really speeding up. But what about if I take this device with me with my camper? Do I then also need the small inverter for it, or does it work without the inverter?
You don't really need inverters. The Infinity, our portable power station, has built-in MPPTs, so you can just plug in regular PV modules to it, or those foldable ones. The idea here is just that if you connect the MIG to the household anyways, that this one can produce the energy, and then the surplus energy that will go to the AC grid this way can be stored into the Infinity and used later for many different applications, like going camping or such.
I think we have seen now that Growatt indeed is offering a wide portfolio for intelligent energy storage and PV solutions. I want to thank you a lot, Mr. Xu, and dear viewers, if you want to know more, go to the Growatt website now.